Happy day 41. And today I want to talk a little shop. As a leader, you should have the art of delegation under control, be mastering that. If you're a manager, you probably try to do everything yourself, thinking that if you do it yourself, it'll be done quicker, faster, more efficient, and with less issues. Now, the relevance to this is that if you want to build trust and collaboration among a team, you must learn to delegate. Now, you might think, you might be a leader that thinks, you know what, I'm doing them a favor. They're already so busy, they're already so burdened. But ultimately, they want the opportunity to be included. When people are included in what the goals, responsibilities, and vision are, they're more committed to supporting you in the direction you're going in. Managers just try to force the issues. So, how are you in the art of delegation? That was a tough one for me to learn, simply because I truly believed that I could do it quicker, faster, more efficient with less issues. Right? It's a normal process. We all go there. But what I found was as I started to trust that I could delegate things to team members and that they would in turn get them done, what I found was they not only got them done, but many times they got them done better than I could, and sometimes even more efficient. Your team members have incredible strengths. Now, as a leader, if you hired people, you have a responsibility to trust them until they give you a reason not to. Whereas your team members don't have to trust you until you've earned the right for it. It's very different. So one of the quickest ways to start to learn to build trust is to start to delegate small tasks or responsibilities that need to get knocked out to someone and give them an opportunity to shine, and then appreciate them for it. So, are you a manager or are you a leader when it comes to your team and getting things done? So I appreciate you guys being here. We're going to kind of stay on this journey of the differences between the two, because if you're a manager, the first step is to become aware of it. And if you're okay with that, okay, then be that. But if you want to be a leader or you call yourself a leader, it's important to understand that that's not just a title. And what are the actions and behaviors that come with leadership? Have a great day.